Good morning, students. Today I want to take class on basic organic reactions. Organic reactions and mechanism. Organic reactions are chemical reactions involving organic compounds. The basic organic chemistry reactions types are addition reactions, elimination reactions, substitution reactions, pericyclic reactions, rearrangement reactions, and redox reactions. కర్బన రసాయన శాస్త్రంలో రసాయన చర్యలు సంకలన చర్యలు ఉంటాయి, ప్రతిక్షేపణ చర్యలు ఉంటాయి, ఎలిమినేషన్ చర్యలు లేదా బహిష్కరణ చర్యలు ఉంటాం. వీటిని పరిచక్రీయ చర్యలు, పెరిసైక్లిక్ చర్యలను తెలుగులో పరిచక్రీయ చర్యలు అంటారు. రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ రియాక్షన్స్, రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ చర్యలు లేదా పునరమరిక చర్యలు. రిడాక్స్ రియాక్షన్స్ను రిడాక్స్ చర్యలు అంటాం. A reaction mechanism is the step-by-step sequence of elementary reactions by which overall chemical change occurs. ఒక చర్యలోని చర్య విధానంని దశల వారీగా రసాయన పరివర్తనం గురించి తెలియజేయడాన్ని చర్య యొక్క చర్య విధానం అంటారు. ఒక చర్యలో క్రియాజనకము, క్రియాకారకము, క్రియాజన్యాలు అనేటివి ఏర్పడతాయి క్రియాకారకాల వలన. ఈ క్రియాకారకాలు రెండు రకాలుగా ఉంటాయి, న్యూక్లియోఫైల్ మరియు ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్స్. In organic chemistry, there are two types of reagents are present. One is nucleophile, another one is electrophile. A reagent which can donate an electron pair in reaction is called nucleophile. Nucleophile is a species which have electron pair and it have capacity to donate its electron pair is called nucleophile. The name nucleophile means nucleus loving. We know nucleus is a positive charge, contain positive charge. Nucleus is positive charge. Around nucleus, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit. In nucleus there are positive and neutrons are present. Okay, this nucleus means positive center attracting species is called nucleophile. The name nucleophile means nucleus loving, that is positive center loving indicates that it attracts region of low electron density, that is positive center in the substrate molecule. న్యూక్లియోఫైల్ కారకం అనేది ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సాంద్రత తక్కువ కలిగినటువంటి సెంటర్ దగ్గర అట్రాక్ట్ చేయబడుతుంది, ఆకర్షించబడుతుంది. క్రియాజనకంలోని ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సాంద్రత తక్కువ కలిగినటువంటి సెంటర్ దగ్గర ఆకర్షించబడే కారకంని న్యూక్లియోఫైల్ అంటారు. Nucleophiles are electron rich species. Nucleophiles నేటి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సాంద్రత ఎక్కువ కలిగినటువంటి species. They may be negative ions including carbanion or neutral molecules with free electron pair. Nucleophile నెగిటివ్ ఆర్ రుణావేశం కలిగినటువంటి స్పీసీస్ ఉండొచ్చు, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కార్బేనియాన్స్, లేదా ఆవేశం లేనటువంటి న్యూట్రల్ సమూహాలుగా కూడా ఉండవచ్చు. ఆ న్యూట్రల్ సమూహాలకు ఒంటరి జంట ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కలిగి ఉండాలి. Nucleophile can be represented by a general symbol Nu-. న్యూక్లియోఫైల్ను Nu- సూచిస్తాం. కొన్ని ఉదాహరణలు, సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్: క్లోరైడ్ అయాన్, హాలోజన్ అయాన్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ క్లోరైడ్, బ్రోమైడ్, అయోడైడ్. సైనైడ్ అయాన్ Cn-, OH-, or CH2-. సమ్ న్యూట్రల్ న్యూక్లియోఫైల్స్: NH3, RNH2, H2O, RH. Alcohol, water molecule, amine, alkyl amine molecules, ammonia. These are some examples for neutral nucleophiles. Next, electrophiles. A reagent which can accept an electron pair in a reaction called electrophile. ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ అనేటివి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సమూహమును ఆకర్షించే కారకాలను ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్స్ అంటారు. ఒక చర్యలో ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సమూహాలను ఆకర్షించగలిగే కారకాలను ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్స్ అంటారు. వీటికి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కొరత ఉంటుంది. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కొరత ఉండును వీటికి. The name electrophile means electron loving and indicates that it attracts regions of high electron density, negative centers in the substrate molecule. In a reaction, the reactant species, substrate means reactant species. In reactant species, electrophile attract at the negative charge of the reactant. ఒక చర్యలో క్రియా కారకంలోని రుణావేశం కలిగినటువంటి సెంటర్ దగ్గర ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ అనేది ఆకర్షించబడుతుంది. ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్కి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ సాంద్రత తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, కావున కారకం క్రియాజనకంలోని ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎక్కువ సాంద్రత కలిగినటువంటి సెంటర్ దగ్గర ఆకర్షించబడుతుంది. Electrophiles are electron deficient, ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కొరత కలిగినటువంటి సమూహాలు. They may be positive ions including carbanion ion or neutral molecules with electron deficient centers. ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్స్ అనేటివి ధనావేశం కలిగినటువంటి కార్బోనియం అయాన్ ఉండొచ్చు, లేదా ఎటువంటి ఆవేశం లేనటువంటి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెఫిషియెంట్ సమూహాలు కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ కెన్ బి రిప్రజెంటెడ్ బై E+. ఎలక్ట్రోఫైల్ను క్యాపిటల్ E+ ద్వారా సూచిస్తాం. కొన్ని ఉదాహరణ, సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్: H+ హైడ్రైడ్ అయాన్, H+, క్లోరిన్ ప్లస్, బ్రోమిన్ ప్లస్, I+, NO2+, నైట్రోనియం అయాన్, R3 C plus, HSO3 plus, AlCl3 plus, AlCl3 and BF3. These are neutral electrophiles. ఎటువంటి ఆవేశం లేనటువంటి సమూహాలు, కానీ ఇవి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ కొరత కలిగి ఉంటాయి. లూయిస్ యాసిడ్స్. నెక్స్ట్, ఆర్గానిక్ రియాక్షన్ మెకానిజం. A reaction mechanism is the step-by-step sequence of elementary reactions by which overall chemical change occurs. ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం, ఒక చర్య విధానం అనేది దశల వారీగా రసాయన మార్పు తెలియజేస్తుంది. ఆల్దో ఓన్లీ ది నెట్ కెమికల్ చేంజ్ ఈజ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ అబ్జర్వబుల్ ఫర్ మోస్ట్ కెమికల్ రియాక్షన్స్, experiments can often be designed that suggest the possible sequence of steps in a reaction mechanism. Next, types of reactions. Addition reactions, sankalana చర్యలు. Substitution reactions, ప్రతిక్షేపణ చర్యలు. Elimination reaction, బహిష్కరణ లేదా ఎలిమినేషన్ చర్యలు అంటారు. రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ రియాక్షన్స్, పునరమరిక చర్యలు. ఆర్గానిక్ రిడాక్స్ చర్యలు, ఆర్గానిక్ రిడాక్స్ చర్యలు అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్, ఈ అడిషన్ రియాక్షన్స్ అనేటి అడిషన్ రియాక్షన్స్ అగైన్ క్లాసిఫైడ్ ఇంటూ 3 types: electrophilic addition reactions, nucleophilic addition reactions, radical addition reactions. Free radical addition, electrophilic సంకలన చర్యలు, న్యూక్లియోఫిలిక్ సంకలన చర్యలు, స్వేచ్ఛ రాడికల్ సంకలన చర్యలు. హాలోజినేషన్ ఇందులో ఉదాహరణ, హాలోజినేషన్, హైడ్రోహాలోజినేషన్ అండ్ హైడ్రేషన్. ఇవి కొన్ని ఉదాహరణలు, సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఎలిమినేషన్ రియాక్షన్, డీహైడ్రేషన్, డీహైడ్రోహాలోజినేషన్, dehallogenation. These are some examples for elimination reaction. Dehydration means elimination of OH and H, that is water molecule. Dehalogenation, elimination of 2 halogen. Dehydrohalogenation, elimination of hydrogen and 1 halogen. See the types of elimination reactions. Next, substitution reaction. Substitution reactions are again classified into nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, free radical substitution reaction. Again, nucleophilic aliphatic substitution, nucleophilic aromatic substitution, nucleophilic acyl substitution, electrophilic substitution, electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions, and radical substitution reactions. Okay, some examples for substitution: SN1, SN2, SNI, SN1, SN2 and SNI reaction mechanism. Redox reactions are specific to organic compounds. Some rearrangement, పునరమరిక చర్యలు. 1,2 rearrangement, 1,3 rearrangement. These are in pericyclic detail we can discuss in pericyclic reactions. Okay, right. Next, detailed discussion on addition reaction. Addition reactions, we know there are 3 types: electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition and electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition and free radical addition. These are 3 types of addition reactions. Next, some examples for addition. What is addition reaction? Addition reaction is, in a reaction, one pi bond disappeared, converted to two sigma bonds. Both positive and negative part of reagent added to reactant to form two new sigma bond. Pi bond in reactant disappears and converted into two new sigma bond. That reaction is called addition reaction. That means we must have pi bond in a reactant, that is alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes, double bond, triple bond compounds can involve in addition reaction. Okay, right. Electrophilic addition reaction. Reaction is an addition reaction where in a chemical compound a pi bond is broken and two new sigma bonds are formed. The substrate of an electrophilic addition reaction must have double bond or triple bond. That means alkenes or alkynes involved in the addition reaction. Driving force for this reaction is formation of an electrophile. That is, in electrophilic addition reaction, again addition reactions are classified into three types: electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition, free radical addition. Okay, free radical addition reaction. What is the difference in this? The first step, the attacking species. In the first step in addition reaction, if first attacking species is electrophile, then that is electrophilic addition reaction. In the first step, that is first attacking species to the double bond is nucleophile, then that is nucleophilic addition reaction. If first attacking species to reactant is radical, then that is free radical addition reaction. Okay, right. Next, detail to the electrophilic addition reaction. That is, the driving force for this reaction is the formation of an electrophile X plus that forms a covalent bond with an electron rich unsaturated C double bond C. The positive charge on X is transferred to carbon-carbon bond forming a carbocation. That is some example. Take electrophilic substitution. This is a reactant, this is reagent to form product. In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacking species is the first step attacking species is electrophile X plus of reagent attacking to double bonded carbon atom to form carbocation. That carbocation again reacts with Y minus to give our final product. This is electrophilic addition. This is symmetric alkane, asymmetric reagent. But if asymmetric reagent and asymmetric alkene is present, then Markovnikov rule is occur. What is Markovnikov? Markovnikov rule tells that asymmetric alkene, for example, For example, C C CH3 CH double bond CH2. This is asymmetric alkane. That means both different substituents present on both sides of double bond. That is called asymmetric alkane. Asymmetric alkane, when reacts with asymmetric reagent, for example HCl or HBr, the positive part of reagent, that is H plus, is attached to double bonded carbon atom having more number of hydrogens. Is called Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule means asymmetric alkene, when reacts with asymmetric reagent, positive part of reagent is attached to carbon atom, double bonded carbon atom having more number of hydrogen atom. Here double bonded carbon atom, here one hydrogen atom, here two hydrogen atoms. Then the positive part is attached to CH2 having more number of hydrogen atoms to give here H plus attacking CH3 CH plus CH2 CH2. Okay, H, here H plus carbocation is formed. This is secondary carbocation, which is more stable than primary carbocation. That's why here it is stable. Again, in this second step, the Br minus is attacked to here to form our final product CH3 CH Br CH3, that is 2-bromopropane is our final product according to Markovnikov's rule. Okay, right. Next one, addition reaction, electrophilic addition. We have already told. In the first step, the positively charged intermediate combines with by, that is electron rich and usually an anion to form the second covalent bond. In the second step is the same nucleophilic attack process found in the SN1 reaction. The exact nature of the electrophile and the nature of the positively charged intermediate are not always clear and depends on reactants and reaction condition. Okay, next, there are some examples for addition electrophilic reactions. In all asymmetric addition reactions to carbon, regioselectivity is important, that is Markovnikov rule, and often determined by Markovnikov's rule. Organoborane compounds give anti-Markovnikov addition. Electrophilic attack to an aromatic system results in electrophilic aromatic substitution rather than addition reaction. Typical electrophilic addition to alkenes with reagents are di-halo addition reaction, X2, addition of X2, hydrohalogenation, addition of HX, hydration, addition of H2O, hydrogenation, addition of H2, oxymercuration and demercuration, that is mercuric acetate and water, hydroboration, oxidation reaction, diborane is used. In Prince reaction, formaldehyde and water. Right, next, nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction is addition reaction in which the first attacking species is nucleophile. First attacking species is nucleophile to the double bonded compounds. Okay, nucleophilic addition reaction usually takes place in heteronuclear double bond, that is C double bond O or C double bond N or C double triple bond N. Amines or nitriles or carbonyl compound. Usually nucleophilic addition reaction takes place in carbonyl compound, that is aldehydes or ketones. Okay, for example, one carbonyl compound, that is acetaldehyde, addition of HCl, hydrogen cyanide. The cyanide ion in reagent reacts to positive part of carbon, because in heteronuclear double bond it is polarized. That means oxygen having more electronegative than carbon. That's why oxygen gets partially negative charge and carbon gets partially positive charge. Because of having carbon partially positive charge, cyanide group is attached to carbonyl carbon. Here, first attacking species is nucleophile cyanide ion. That's why it is nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction, because in the first step the attacking species is cyanide ion. To get our product cyanohydrin. That is CH3 COH CnH. It is called cyanohydrin. Okay. And in nucleophilic addition reaction is addition reaction where a chemical compound, the pi bond is removed by the creation of two new covalent bonds by addition of nucleophile. Addition reactions are limited to chemical compounds that have multiple bonded atoms. Molecules with carbon hetero multiple bonds like carbonyls, imines, nitriles. Molecules with carbon-carbon double bonds are carbon-carbon triple bonds. Next, nucleophilic addition reaction. An example of nucleophilic addition reaction is that occurs at carbonyl group of a ketone by substitution with hydroxide based compounds denoted shorthand. In this example, an unstable hemiketal is formed. Ketone or carbonyl compound reacts with alcohol to form unstable hemiacetal. Hemiacetal is formed. Acetal and ketal. Next, nucleophile addition reaction to carbon hetero double bond. Addition reaction of a nucleophile to carbon hetero double bond such as C double bond O or C and triple bond show a wide variety. These bonds are polar, having large difference in electronegativity between two atoms. Consequently, carbon carries partial positive charge here and oxygen gets partial negative charge. This makes this atom primary target for nucleophile. Nucleophile will attack at carbonyl carbon. Yeah, this OH nucleophile here attacking takes place. This type of reaction is also called 1,2 nucleophilic addition. The stereochemistry of this type of nucleophilic attack is not an issue. When both alkyl substitutions are dissimilar, then there are not any other controlling issues such as chelation with a Lewis acid. The reaction products are racemic. Racemic mixture is formed. That is 50% of that is if CH3 C double bond H with HCN cyanohydrin reaction, the formed product OH CN CH3 H, and this is 50% is forming, and OH CN CH3 CH3 and H. This is 50% is formed. This is called racemic mixture. 50% of one configuration and 50% of another configuration. Okay, this is in if the asymmetric reagent is present. Okay, racemic is formed. Addition reaction of this type of numerous when addition reaction is accompanied by elimination, that is aldol condensation. In aldol condensation, for example, CH3 C double bond H, CH3 C double bond H, that is acetaldehyde, two molecules of acetaldehyde in presence of base OH minus. It removes hydrogen from this to form nucleophile CH3 minus CHO acetaldehyde. This nucleophile reacts with another acetaldehyde to form aldol beta hydroxy aldehyde. Okay, that is beta hydroxy aldehyde. That is CH3 C CH2 CHO COH H. This is alpha, this is beta. Beta hydroxy aldehyde, that is called aldol. This further undergo elimination. Alpha beta unsaturation H OH and here H. Dehydration takes place to form CH3 alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. This is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Okay, this is called nucleophilic acyl substitution aldol reaction. Addition followed by elimination. When addition reaction is accompanied by elimination, the reaction type is nucleophilic acyl substitution or an addition elimination reaction. Some various carbonyl reactions, for example, carbonyl reaction can undergo reaction with HCN to form cyanohydrin, with water to form glycols. Okay, again reacts with alcohols to form acetal. If aldehyde acetal, if it is carbonyl compound is ketone, then ketal acetal or ketols are formed. If NH2 or NH3 or NH2, then reaction H or NH. If hydroxylamine NH2 OH to form oximes. If hydration takes place in presence of lithium aluminum hydrate reaction, hydrate lithium aluminum hydrate to form alcohols. Okay, these are some nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, carbonyl compounds, electrophile nucleophile can be water in hydration to form geminal diol. Okay, geminal diol. An alcohol in acetylation to form acetal, hydride ion in reduction to give alcohol, an amine with formaldehyde and carbonyl compounds in Mannich reaction. These are all some named reaction we can discuss detailed in our organic named reactions. Okay, this is also imines and nitriles reactions with nucleophilic addition. This is also some named reactions are present. This we can detailedly discuss in organic named reaction. Nucleophilic addition reactions to carbon-carbon uh, double bonds. The driving force for the addition to alkenes is the formation of nucleophile X that forms a covalent bond with an electron poor unsaturated system C double bond C first. The negative charge on X is transferred to carbon bond. Yeah, we can easily discuss in previous slides. Okay, some example carbon carbon double bond. Ordinary alkenes are not susceptible to nucleophilic attack polar bond. Styrene reacts in toluene with sodium to form 1,3-diphenyl propane through the intermediate carbanion. That is, it is toluene firstly reacts with sodium at 110 degrees centigrade to form this carbanion, this benzyl carbanion. This benzyl carbanion reacts with styrene to form, this is 1 2 3 3 1 3 diphenyl propane. Okay, this is typical example for carbon carbon double bond nucleophilic addition reactions. Another one is nucleophilic addition reaction. Third one is free radical addition reaction. Free radical addition reaction is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Very important. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. What is anti-Markovnikov's rule? Markovnikov's rule is Markovnikov rule is positive part of reagent attack to carbon-carbon double bond having more number of hydrogen. Here anti-Markovnikov rule means positive part of reagent attached to double bonded carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms. Okay, for example, this anti-Markovnikov rule or peroxide rule also. CH3, that is unsymmetrical alkene, reacts with unsymmetrical alkene when reacts with unsymmetrical reagent HBr in presence of peroxide R2O2. This is peroxide ROOR. ROOR. This is dialkyl peroxide. Okay, when alkyl group is present, the anti-Markovnikov product is formed. CH3, CH2, CH2Br. Okay, positive part of reagent, that is H plus, attached to double bonded carbon atom having less number of hydrogens is called anti-Markovnikov. What is the mechanism here? Anti-Markovnikov rule mechanism. See, first this peroxide R double bond peroxide converted to alkoxide radical. R2O2 converted to RO radical. This radical reacts with RO radical reacts with HBr to form ROH plus Br radical. This Br radical reacts with our asymmetric alkene, that is CH3, CH2, CH, double bond CH2. Okay, here the main step is attacking of Br radical to our substrate. The first species to attack substrate is radical. That's why it is free radical addition reaction. Okay, to form here Br is attacking to CH, CH3, CH radical, CH2 Br. Here secondary radical is more stable compared to primary radical. Then again this radical reacts with again HBr to form H radical, again reacts with here to form our final product, that is 1 bromopropane. 1 bromopropane is our final product. Because of here in first step, that is the substrate attacking species is radical, that's why it is free radical addition reaction. These are nitrile some examples. Okay, the detail we can discuss in named reactions. Okay, thank you.